parents of killers. What happened? We started hearing my son was being bullied constantly in school because of a huge birthmark on his shoulder. And after one day when this bully tried to cut the birthmark off, we took him out of school. Unfortunately, this same jerk somehow knew our address and would often wait outside our house just to taunt him. We tried going to the police, but they refused to do anything as they didn't consider it a serious matter. We didn't see him for a while, so we thought it was over. But then this kid found out my son had been named MVP on his soccer team. The next day, he decided to throw a brick through our living room window and climb into our house with the intention of hurting my son. He got into our house and started searching for him while calling out his name. What he didn't know is that my son, who was scared shitless, was thankfully in his room with his older brother, who happened to be holding my cocked firearm. He was now upstairs, kicking open each door, calling out how bad he was going to hurt him. He got to my son's room and flung open the door, ready to do who knows what. He was immediately met with 2 rounds straight to the chest. My sons were 13 and 14 at the time and weren't charged. It was ruled as self-defense.